Auzubillahiminash-shaytanir-rajim. Bismillahir-rahmanir-rahim. Dear students, Assalamu alaikum rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. After a gap of about 1 week, once again I am in front of you with the same topic, pair of linear equations in two variables. In today's video, we will be learning how to solve the verbal problems based on pair of linear equations in two variables by graphical method. So the examples here are, the first example is solve the following pair of linear equations in two variables by graphical method. Champa asked how many skirts and pants she bought. She answered, the number of skirts is 2 less than twice the number of pants purchased. Also, the number of skirts is 4 less than 4 times the pants purchased. Find the number of skirts and the number of pants she bought. So this is the question before us. Let us solve this example by considering the number of pants as x and the number of skirts as y. So read the first sentence to convert it into mathematical form or equation form. The number of skirts is 2 less than twice the number of pants. So y is equal to, y is the number of skirts, twice the number of pants means 2x, 2 less than means minus 2. So the equation will be y is equal to 2x minus 2. Now the next sentence, also the number of skirts she bought is 4 less than 4 times the number of pants. So y, the number of skirts, 4 times the pants means 4x, 4 less than means minus 4. So the second equation will be y is equal to 4x minus 4. Now prepare or construct the table for the values of x and y. Let us consider the value of x as 1. 2 ones are 2, 2 minus 2 will be 0. So the value of y will be 0. If you consider the value of x as 2, 2 2s are 4, 4 minus 2 will be 2. So these are the two ordered pairs of the values of x and y for the first equation. Now coming to second equation, let us consider the value of x as 1. Replace x by 1. 4 ones are 4. 4 minus 4 is 0. If the value of x is 1, the value of y will be 4. Now go for 2. 4 2s are 8. 8 minus 4 will be 4. If the value of 2 is taken as, if the value of x is taken as 2, the value of y will be 4. So we have now 4 ordered pairs. So we have to plot them onto the graph sheet. So let us plot those 4 ordered pairs onto the graph sheet. Scale as usual. On x-axis 10 division is equal to 1 unit, and on y-axis 10 division is equal to 1 unit. So this is the x-axis and this is y-axis. The first pair is 1 0 of first equation. 1 x-axis 1 is here, y-axis 0 means this point. You have to encircle it as usual. Then the second point is 2 2. x2 is here. You have to go vertically, you have to move vertically upward, and y2 is here. This is the point. 1 and 2, these two are the points. Draw a line passing through. This is the linear graph of equation y is equal to 2x minus 2. So in the same way, second equation's first ordered pair of numbers is 1 0. X-axis 1, y-axis 0 means the same point, abscissa and coordinate as 1 0. Then the second pair is 4 4. X-axis 2 4. X-axis is 2. Y-axis is 4 means this is the point. This point number 1, this point number 2. 2 points are with us. Draw a line passing through these two lines intersecting at this point. So the values of x and y are, x is 1 and y is 0. we have considered x as number of pants and y as number of shirts. Hence Champa purchased one pant because the value of x is 1, and she did not buy any skirt because the value of y is 0. So in this way the number of pants purchased by Champa is 1 and the number of skirts purchased by her is 0. So this is the graphical solution for that particular example. So coming to the second example, example number 2 is 10 students of class 10 took part in mathematics quiz. If the number of girls is 4 more than the number of boys, find the number of boys and girls who took part in mathematics quiz. So let the number of boys as x and that of the number of girls as y. 10 students of class 10. So total number of girls and boys is 10, means the first equation will be x plus y is equal to 10. Convert it or bring it to the standard form. So y is equal to 10 minus x. If the value of x is taken as 4, 10 minus 4 will be 6. The value of y will be 6. If the value of x is 5, 10 minus 5 will be 5. If the value of x is 5, the value of y will be 5, which are the values of x and y for the equation number 1. Now coming to equation number 2, the second sentence of the question is if the number of girls is 4 more than that of the number of boys. So number of girls is y, that is 4 more than the number of boys, means y is equal to x plus 4 will be our second equation. Now if the value of x is taken as 1, 1 plus 4 will be 5, the value of y. If the value of x is 2, 2 plus 4 will be 6, the value of y will be 6. So 4 6, 5 5, 1 5 and 2 6. These 4 ordered pairs are with us. Now let us plot them onto the graph sheet. So scale once again as usual. On x-axis 10 division is equal to 1 unit, and on y-axis also 10 division is equals to 1 unit. So this is x-axis, this is y-axis. So what is the first pair? 4 6 plus 4 x-axis. 6 means you have to move up and you will be getting that point is here. Okay, now second pair is 5 5. X-axis 5 is here, y-axis 5 means you have to go vertically upwards. All right, and from 5 you have to move towards right side to get that point. So these are the 2 points. As usual, draw a line passing through. Okay, so this is the graph of equation x plus y is equal to 10. Okay, this is the linear graph of the first equation, x plus y is equal to 10. Now plot 1 5 and 2 2 onto the same graph sheet. 1 5 plus 1 is here, 5 means vertically upward, this is the point. Okay, then 2 6 plus 2 x 2 is here, y 6 means again you have to go up, so this is the point. These are the 2 points. Draw a line passing through. Okay, and you know this is the linear graph of the second equation, y is equal to x plus 4. So if you look at the graph sheet, these two lines are intersecting at a single point. From that point you draw one perpendicular on x-axis and another on y-axis. The first perpendicular is falling on 3 of x-axis. It means that the value of x is 3, and we have taken the value of x as number of boys. So hence number of boys who took part in a maths quiz is 3, and the value of y, the second perpendicular on y-axis, it is falling on 7, and y is taken as the number of girls who took part in maths quiz. So the number of girls who took part in mathematics quiz is 7. So 3 7 is the solution set for this example. So the number of boys who took part in maths quiz is 3 and that of the number of girls is 7. So dear students, let us solve one more example. Example number 3 is 5 pencils and 7 pens together cost rupees 50. 7 pencils and 5 pens together cost rupees 46. Find the cost of 1 pencil and 1 pen. So solution, let the cost of 1 pencil is equal to rupees X and the cost of 1 pen is equal to rupees Y. Read the first sentence and convert it to equation form. 5 pencils and 7 pens together cost rupees 50. 5x plus 7y is equal to 50. This is our first equation. Bring it to its standard form. 7y is equal to 50 minus 5x. So y is equal to 50 minus 5x upon 7. So let us construct the table for the values of x and y. If the value of x taken as 3, 5 3s are 15. 50 minus 15 will be 35. 35 upon 7. 7 1s are 7. 7 5s are 35. 35 is a multiple of 7. Therefore, if the value of x is 3, the value of y will be 5. Go for the value of x as 10. 5 10s are 50. 50 minus 50 will be 0. 0 upon any number is 0. Hence the value of x is 10 and the value of y will be 0. These two values satisfy this equation. 5x plus 7y is equal to 50. Now coming to second sentence, 7 pencils and 5 pens cost rupees 46. So the equation will be 7x plus 5y is equal to 46. Bring it to its standard form. 5y is equal to 46 minus 7x. Y is equal to 46 minus 7x upon 5. Now here for the table the values of x and y, if you go for x as 3, 7 3s are 21. 46 minus 21 will be 25 and 25 you know is a multiple of 5 that is completely divisible by 5. 5 1s are 5. 5 5s are 25. If the value of x is taken as 3, so in this equation the value of y will be 5. Now go for the value of x is 8 as 8. 7 8s are 56. 46 minus 56 will be minus 10. Minus 10 upon 5. 5 1s are 5. 5 2s are 10. So minus 2 will be the value of y if you take the value of x as 8. So 3 5 10 0. 2 pairs, and in second equation 3 5 8 minus 2 another 2 pairs. These ordered pairs are to be plotted onto the graph sheet. It is already done. 3 5 x-axis is 3, y-axis 5 means this point. Second pair 10 0. 10 is here. Y 0 means same point. Draw a line passing through these 2 points. That line is already drawn here. This is the equation. This is the linear graph of equation 5x plus 7y is equal to 50. Now 3 5 second equations for first ordered pair. 3 here. Y we have to go vertically upward. This is 5 3 5. The abscissa and ordinate as 3 5. This is the required point. Okay, 8 minus 2 plus 8 is here. Y-axis value minus 2 means we have to come down. Okay, first time we are coming down. This is the point which shows the abscissa and coordinate as plus 8 and minus 2. One point is here, another point is here. With the help of scale, join these 2 points by you will be getting one more line that is called linear graph of equation 7x plus 5y is equal to 46. So these 2 lines, they are intersecting at this point. Draw 2 perpendiculars as usual on x-axis, another one on y-axis. The first perpendicular is falling on 3 on x-axis, so it means that the cost of one pencil is rupees 3, and on y-axis the second perpendicular is falling on 5, so it means that the cost of one pen is equal to rupees 5. So 3 and 5 is the solution set for this third example. So dear students, in this way pair of linear equations in two variables. This topic or this chapter is completed here. You have to practice them. Okay, now from next video, inshallah, we will be shifting to the fourth topic. So already we have completed 3 topics. Once again, I request you, please jot down in 200 pages notebook and practice the examples. Thank you very much.